So how to set up SMS on your Amazon Connect? To set up your SMS on Amazon Connect, the first thing we got to do is to claim an SMS phone number. To do that, you just have to come to end user messaging, and then on your end user messaging page, you will see SMS, right? Now, what we are going to do is to look for phone numbers, and then we are going to request an originator. Depending on the country where you are requesting the SMS number from, there could be other steps. For those in US and then requesting a US-based number, you have to do brand verification and some brand registration stuff. It takes a whole process in itself. But for those of us outside the US and all that, we can easily get certain numbers and then proceed. So for this demo, I'm just going to use Canada. And then I'll ensure I have test and then media SMS. And then for this, I'm going to enable two-way SMS messaging, right? I'll click on next. I'll need the long code and long phone numbers. And then I'll ensure I have these two things enabled. That is, if I want to use my number for campaigns, this will help set up all the necessary permissions as needed. I'll click on next. Then I'll proceed to request my SMS number. One thing you have to notice is this. The number you request has to be in the same region as your instance. So now, I have my SMS number. So now that I have this, I'm going to first enable my two-way messaging. So what I'm going to do is to look for IAM, and then I'm going to create a permission that will allow me to do that. So I'll just come in here, come to rules. I'll click on create rules. This is going to be a custom trust policy. And then inside my trust policy, I have this simple JSON that I'm going to use. I'll do it, probably leave it in the video description for those of you following out, or you can check it out. So all that is doing is that it's allowing SMS voice AWS and then this per my account number. I'll click on next, and then this I'm just going to create a simple inline permission. So this is doing connect send chat integration event on all resource. Then I'll give my policy a name. So I'm going to call it send voice two-way connect rule. I'll proceed to create my rule. And now that my rule is ready, when I come to my end user messaging, I'm going to click on edit settings, enable two-way. I'll select Amazon Connect. Then I'll select my role. So I'll click on save. Then this is it. So now that I have this, what I'm going to proceed to then do is to associate the phone number, right? Import it into my Connect. So I'm going to select my Amazon Connect instance. Then I'll import my phone number. Oh, so I'm getting an issue where it's saying that the allowed limit for claim phone number has exceeded the number that I can for my instance, because it's a personal instance. That's why this is happening. So in your case, right, what you will see is that you are going to have that in there. What I'm going to quickly try and then do is that I'm going to delete the number I already have, and then I can just put this one in. Or what I could have done is to create a support ticket to AWS, and then they would increase the quota, right, for the number of phone numbers that could be associated with this instance, and then I can use it. But for now, what I'm going to do is to just release this number. All right, so I've proceeded to release the phone number. Now let's try again. So I'm just going to select my instance. Come to edit again. Save. I'm going to select my Amazon Connect instance. Import phone number. And now my phone number was successfully imported into my Amazon Connect instance. So if I come to my phone numbers in Connect and I refresh, so there is my phone number, and then the channel is SMS. So now I can test via SMS using this. So if I just send in an SMS, it will come into this number, and then it will hit whatever inbound flow that I have configured to this number, and then this will be it. So this is how you set up your Amazon Connect SMS into your Amazon Connect instance. Thank you so much for watching, and then let's meet in another video.